Hi there, Peter Vox here, and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all our past and present videos and future videos. If we can help you or someone that you know with their singing, we would be honored to do that, so please check out the links below for more info. Today's question is, will singing lessons improve my confidence? Yes, they will if you have a good singing teacher. Now, here at Vox Singing Academy, we are going to arm you with all the skills that you'll need so that you can get up on stage and perform songs live. So that takes a lot of confidence to do that, but we'll go through the process of doing that. And then this will also, so not only will you gain confidence in your singing abilities, this will also transpire into your personal life as well too, and you'll become a more confident person when you can sing up on stage and talk and interact with a crowd. You'll be a lot more comfortable singing and speaking in front of crowds and people in the very near future. At Vox Singing Academy, we will give you all the skills that you need to improve your voice so that you're confident before you go up on stage. So not only will we develop your voice to become a very good singer, we're going to give you the confidence with microphone technique, stage presentation, and speaking and interacting to your audience. So this is something that Vox Singing Academy specializes in, and we have really always wanted all of our students to be live performance students so they can get up and perform and sing in the live situation, not just in the shower or with a choir with other people, but so that you can get up and do it in the live situation by yourself. We've always prided ourselves on developing all of our students to get up on stage and perform live and enjoy singing. So I hope that that answers that question, but singing lessons will improve your confidence, though it will take some work. You have to practice at home, practice what and follow the instructions that the singing teacher is giving you. If you've got a good quality singing teacher, your voice should improve very, very quickly. In about 3 weeks, we guarantee results here at Vox Singing Academy. So it does take work. It's not just going to have 1 or 2 lessons and you'll be up and performing up on stage. It does take a little bit of work, and we'll go through everything here at Vox Singing Academy and in baby steps to get you up on stage and performing in front of people as quickly as we possibly can. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll get to as many of them as I possibly can. Thank you for watching. Be good to each other. Enjoy your singing. Much love.